Ever wonder how an airplane goes on reverse? Come on, let's find it out. Does it has a reverse gear like our car? An aircraft can use the reverse thrust method, but it consumes a lot of fuel. Aviation fuel is very expensive. Instead, a pushback or tow tractor can be used. It's economical and safer for the ground crew. Upon getting a clearance, the pushback tractor will slowly approach the aircraft. Then the tow bar will be safely attached to the aircraft. Then it will wait for another clearance when to push back the aircraft. As you can see, there are no more other ground crews around the aircraft. Normally, it takes a while to get a pushback clearance because there are other aircrafts getting ready to take off, like that other aircraft being towed. Finally, it's given clearance to push back the aircraft. The ground crew is now responsible for the safe handling of the aircraft. As you can see, there are aircraft marshals who are guiding this procedure. The plane is now moving backward without using its own power, saving a lot on fuel cost. The aircraft marshals uses hand signals to guide this procedure. The aircraft marshal's work is now done. He's now leaving the area. After the pushback, it will be towed to its proper taxi position. The aircraft and the ground crew is in constant communication all throughout this procedure. Finally, it's time to detach the tow bar from the aircraft. The tow tractor driver waits for the signal before he can move his vehicle. This will prevent any damage on the aircraft. The tow tractor will now move away from the aircraft. After some final checkup, their work is done. Now the aircraft is moving on its own power. And finally taking off. Thank you.